International, so I oversee all of our marketing communications, sales support, online, PR, those types of functions. Harman International is the leading supplier of audio, video, lighting, and control equipment. We provide solutions for everything from large enterprise installations, government, schools, airports, hotels, hospitals, to entertainment applications like concert tours and recording musicians. We're really looking for a solution, that would allow us to make it easy to distribute sales enablement content to them and keep them automatically updated so they didn't have to think about what the latest material was. It just automatically was pushed out to them. Now they can just walk in with their iPad, start Showpad, and they know that everything they need is going to be automatically organized and available for them. I think Showpad has really changed the dynamic of how we have sales conversations with customers. The long-term goal is that it's really integrated as part of their customer planning and CRM and contact system, that it's not just a presentation tool, it's an integral part of their lead generation, qualification, nurturing process. There's really no question that relying on someone like Showpad who has built a business around this and we can rely on for the updates and the support, was kind of a no-brainer. So, some things that as a marketer, what I appreciate about Showpad is it's giving me insight into what content, people are using. It's also making it very easy for them to share with me what content they need. So for them to be able to comment on content and, point out things that they'd like to see added or, included in the presentations. And I am genuinely a fan. You guys have made a really great product there.